guys, welcome back to Purple Hearts. We are back with another video and this one is best places to buy BTS merch in India part 2. You guys loved part 1, so here's the part 2. I have searched and found many places where you can buy BTS merch. It's so good, so just keep on watching the video and enjoy. The places I'm gonna tell you mostly sells unofficial merch. I would recommend if you wanna buy official merch, you should buy it from the official website or the websites I've already told you where they sell official merch. The places I'm gonna say mostly sells unofficial merch which is handmade and it's so cute. So yeah, let's start. So don't come at me saying that this is fake merch and all. So the first store which I'm gonna tell you is the peppystore.in. It's uh, it's an awesome store. It has their own they have their own website. They sell BTS merch, Friends merch, Harry Potter merch. So you should like totally go and check it out. They sell key rings, soft toys, all in like affordable budget. So it's pretty good. And the best thing is that they have COD and the COD charges are like 60 rupees, 80 rupees. So yeah, it's best for people all over India. I'm sorry, the weather is really windy, so these photos keep fluttering. And butter, like I'm so proud of Army Butter, got like over 110 million views in 24 hours, which is like a big deal. It's a dream. So yeah, whatever, let's get back on the video. The next one is my.korean shop. It's obviously Indian based Instagram store. They ship all over India. They don't have COD and they literally have so many merch. They have butter BTS package. They give a lot of freebies and stickers. They have BTS pillows, earphones, headphones, like a lot of things. You guys like definitely should go and check it out. This video is not sponsored, by the way. They have a lot of combo deals which I totally love. The shipping charge is like 80 and 90 rupees. Depends on where you live. It won't exceed 150 rupees. So if you want to buy official merch, you can totally check out K-pop store underscore in. They have both official and unofficial merch. You can just ask them for the official ones. The albums and the BT21 toys are mostly official. You can obviously ask them. And the next one is the Glittery Affair now. I love this Instagram store because their things are really cheap. The key rings which you will find for 115 rupees in other stores, they sell for 75 rupees. And yeah, they sell a lot of things, notebooks, most things are BT21 badges, pop sockets in 150 rupees, 75 rupees, and cute pom-pom ones of BT21 pom-pom key rings, they are for 135 rupees. The next one is kdropcart.com. They have all sort of things. They don't only have BTS merchandise, they also have Blackpink, Red Velvet, EXO, Stray Kids, TXT merchandise. They also have K-drama merchandise. They have clothing, accessories, sections, collections, blog, mugs, cups, notebooks, keychains, everything. So yeah, and if you buy products worth of 350 rupees or more than that, then you will get free shipping. They also have COD all over India. So yeah, it's the best place for you. Next one is Pick Your Filter. They customize their products. They sell photo cards, stickers, postcards. You can choose any of the BTS photos or BT21 photos and send them. They will make a photo card out of that and they give freebies with every order, which is like so cool. The next one is Ration Lab. They sell a lot of BTS charms, bracelet and keychains. They customize their products, so you can obviously customize for someone's birthday and stuff. Then we have Art Awesomeness. They don't have COD. They also customize products. They have a great variety of merch. They are right now selling BTS crop tops for butter hoodie and stuff for 500 rupees, 700 rupees. They also have phone stands for 129 rupees, the BT21 phone stands. And one more cool thing is that they also sometimes sell One Direction merch, which is I'm a big 1D fan. So yeah, this is a plus point for me. And yeah, they also do a lot of giveaways, so stay tuned, guys. The next place is Tazard. It's not India based, it's UK based, but they do worldwide shipping. The only reason why I included this in this video is because they sell such cool stuffs. They do hand embroidery and frame it. You can hang it in the wall or something, but the designs are so intricate. The next place is BTS In My Shop. They also sell photo cards, stickers, postcards. They also do customization. You can send BTS pics you like and they will make photo cards out of it. They have COD, so don't worry, and they do ship all over India. The next one is Era.Lily 1998. The cool thing about this page is that they do resin art and they make customizable BT21 keyrings and stickers. They do resin art by their hands, so yeah, you can obviously check them out. The next and the last one is Love Carnival. Most of us know Love Carnival page. This is one of the fastest growing pages in India. They do a lot of stuff: notebook, cards, photo cards, march. They do all kinds of that stuff, but none of it is official. They just do unofficial stuff, but you can totally check them out. They also have COD, which is like 80 rupees for shipping. So yeah. So this is it, guys. I hope you will love this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Purple Hearts. And the part 1 of this video will be in the description box below. Please do check it because it has a lot of information about BTS merch like this video. So yeah, bye guys. Stay safe. Stay mostly home. Ta-da. Greens are so fucking